I'm Ariana. I'm starting a hat. I'm a rising sophomore in high school, and I'm starting a hat club in Louisville, Kentucky. And I just like you talked a little bit about how like you want like middle schoolers and high schoolers to be more like exposed to design. Like how what are your thoughts on like how we can like get them more involved and like even in elementary school too?
Yeah. Honestly, we are figuring this out and we don't have all the answers here. A lot of the places that we're starting in terms of our explorations around education are actually the college level, which is not the best, most satisfying answer, especially talking with people that are doing such innovative work on the high school level when it comes to programming. But if you're interested in exploring this with us, and this goes for anyone, not just you, Ariana, please send me an email. My email is and there's someone from our team I'd love to put you in touch with. We actually have someone who's dedicated to leading out, sort of leading our education initiatives, and we're trying to figure out how do we do this in a scalable way and figure this out as a program. And so yeah, I don't have a perfect answer, but if you're interested in being part of that, please let me know.